Every car owner knows the frustration of that dreaded check engine light. But what if you could diagnose the issue yourself? Meet the 2025 FOXWELL NT604 OBD2 Scanner, a powerful and easy-to-use tool designed to make car diagnostics a breeze. This advanced four-system code reader scans your vehicle's engine, ABS, SRS, and transmission, providing real-time data and clear fault code definitions. No more guessing or expensive trips to the dealership. Just plug it in, scan, and find out what's wrong. With its user-friendly interface, even beginners can use it without any hassle. This scanner does more than just read trouble codes. With full OBD2 functionality, it checks your car's emission readiness, helping you prepare for annual inspections. It also allows data playback and printing, giving you detailed reports for further analysis. The NT604 even turns off those annoying warning lights, once the issue is fixed, of course. Supporting over 60 car brands and 10,000 vehicle models, it works on almost all OBD2 compliant vehicles worldwide, from SUVs to light-duty trucks. Plus, the AutoVIN feature quickly retrieves your vehicle's information, saving time on manual input. This means you can diagnose issues faster and with greater accuracy. But that's not all. The NT604 also keeps an eye on your battery's voltage in real time, displaying the health status in both text and graph form. This feature helps you monitor your car's battery and prevent unexpected failures. No extra downloads, no subscriptions. This scanner comes with lifetime free updates, ensuring you always have the latest software without any hidden fees. It's a one-time investment for continuous, up-to-date diagnostics. Additionally, with English and Spanish language support, it's accessible to more users worldwide. Beyond home use, this scanner is a must-have for professional mechanics, auto technicians, and car dealers. Its durable build and high-end design make it suitable for daily use in workshops. Whether you're troubleshooting a single car or managing an entire fleet, the NT604 is reliable, efficient, and accurate. It's designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts who want dealership-level diagnostics at a fraction of the cost. Whether you're a DIY car owner, a home mechanic, or a professional technician, the FOXWELL NT604 is an essential tool for your garage. With its affordability, reliability, and advanced features, it's the perfect gift for any car enthusiast. Get yours today and take control of your car's health. This is the scanner that makes diagnostics simple, saving you time, money, and effort.